Hey guys, gaming today. I'm gonna make a vibrating phone, make a loud noise on here. Let's do it. Let's go. There's no sec, it's not moving properly. Right. Let's try it again. I think it'll work better now. I also made it a bit quieter. It's gonna fall. It's moving. Yeah, and it made it flip. That's good. I think that's all about it. So I think that's all I want to show you guys. So peace out for the video, don't forget to subscribe and peace.